And Lando, umbrellas are going up.
Spitting quite a bit. Spitting middle sector.
Okay, understood. Okay, Lando, this intensity will stay till the end of the race, we think. Possibly wet from here till turn 10. Lando,
how many laps to go?
4 to go. After this one, 4 after this one. Some cars are pitting for Inter. Bottas has gone already. Track very slippery from here to turn 10. Lots of cars going off.
Yeah, shut up!
Lando, what do you think about it, Inter? What do you think about it in Inter?
No!
Okay, Lando, Hamilton has taken it. He's gone to an Inter.
Yes, I seen. We just gotta commit to staying.
Okay, Lando, just to confirm, we have to be able to stay on track here. Are you happy to stay out on this tyre?
It's full wet, boys. I got a box. I'm gonna shut.
Yeah, we're gonna come in.
I can't do this.
We're gonna come in. We're gonna box.
And rain increasing at turns 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Be careful at turns 3, 4, 5. Rain like this for the next 10 minutes. Let me know what you think on tires. Lots of cars coming in for Inters. Scientists coming in for Inters. Inter seems to be faster. And radio check.
Stop next lap. Stop next lap. Stop next lap. How much is the rain keep going? Or what?
Yes, rain will keep like this.
Wait, leave it for now. Stay out, stay out, stay out.
Okay, copy.
We need to box, guys, I think.
It's 3 laps to go now.
We need to box, unfortunately. Otherwise, I think it's game over.
Copy, box.
Rain intensity is increasing. So it's wet at the far end of the circuit. We are ready in the box if you need us.
It's pretty slippery, but it's not raining much.
So Valtteri has stopped for Inters.
It's definitely slippery, man.
And box for Inters. So this is the crossover time. We have cars going off track. So Verstappen has pitted for Inters. Looks like Norris may as well. We have a free gap. So box.
It stopped raining, man.
So box, confirm. There's more coming. Slippy in the pit lane. So currently unsafe to Norris by 1.5 seconds. So we are now 4 seconds safe to Norris. Now 5 seconds safe to Norris. So if Norris tries to hang this out, he's going to be in trouble. He's getting overtaken by Mazepin on Inter.
How much safe now?
We are 5 seconds safe now. Gap to Norris is 19 seconds. So 3 laps to go, and it's 14 seconds safe to Norris. So nice and easy. So we are now in the lead of the race.
Keep us informed about the track.
Copy.
Okay, mate, what do you think about the track?
Phase 2 is wet on the corner, but the rest of the front might not be.
Copy that. What do we think, guys?
I don't think it's wet enough yet.
Copy. Some cars boxing for instance now.
Quite tricky.
4 laps to go, let's stick with it. Okay, we've got reports of heavy rain.
Okay, now yes.
Okay,
Now it's heavy.
the boxing now, box.
Bit more slippery now here.
Copy. Could be very wet ahead to take care into turn 2, Max. Your call for the Inter, remember. Our conditions.
Yeah, slippery, but not sure if we should pit. No, we don't pit.
Copy, do not pit, okay. There's a few people pitting for Inters now, Max. What are your thoughts? So it will be tricky ahead. A few people have gone off the track at 7 ahead. Is the rain any worse, Max? Is the rain any worse?
Oh, it's really, I'm losing time, isn't it? I think we should box, is really losing time. Well, people are going off, I'm not sure what to do here.
Box and pit confirm, Max. Box, pit confirm.
Yep. Yeah, turn 7 a bit slippery. Let me know what pit lane's like.
Stop raining in pit lane. Okay, there is a bit more rain. Wettest part, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yep, very slippery.
Alonso 0.6, it's not raining in pit lane, just very, very few spots. First cars are fitting Inter,
Yeah, crazy slippery now.
Daniel, copy, 5 laps after this. Do we need the Inter?
Yeah, I can't keep it on track. The hard's just got no temp.
Copy, Daniel, we'll box. Daniel, we'll box this lap.
Yep.
And light rain expected in 1 minute.
Yeah, it's raining now.
Drops at turn 5, 6 and 7 reported, little drops, and Perez 3 seconds behind. And we just expecting light drizzle like this.
Okay, be ready with the inters, be ready with the soft.
Copy, already. Is not expected to come.
Turn 7 is now, turn 7 is wet now, okay? So be ready.
Turn 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a bit more intensity for rain. Watch out.
Okay, it's nearly inter.
Copy.
Okay, be ready.
We are ready. Norris and Hamilton still out.
Yeah, so for me it's maybe soft. This hard is shit.
Copy.
Guys, if it keeps raining we need to box. I cannot do another lap like this.
Update for Kyle.
Maybe soft. One more lap.
Stay out.
How are the people on hard doing?
Struggling. So Norris through 6 and 7, be careful.
Yeah, we need to change tires. We need to change. I think Inter. We need to change.
Copy. Box for Inters.
Turn 8, very slippery.
Okay, understood.
Rainy, 5.
Okay, understood. It's that part of the track that's wet at the moment. We're still looking dry. Okay, rain in turn 2 now as well.
Yeah, very wet. Turn 4, 5, 7.
Okay, understood. We've got several cars in from the back. Okay, what are you thinking, Fernando?
Yeah, I don't know what the leaders are doing.
So leaders are still out. Let's see what Perez does.
And what is the radar saying?
Okay, so 5 laps to go. There will only be 5 minutes of this.
Yeah, turn 2 is better now.
Copy. Okay, mate, doing a good job. 4 laps left. Expect this to ease off a bit. How's the track for you?
Yeah, it's raining now again. Yeah, raining very heavy now. Box.
Okay, understood.
Raining at turn 4, 5.
Is it going to continue? Should we box?
If I will continue, but no box. Stay out. Predicted to still to be quite light, to be wet at turn 2 onwards.
It's pretty bad. We should have boxed.
Box for intermediate.
Okay, can we expect the rain to increase 1 lap or 2?
Yeah, it's quite bad in 7, 8, 9.
Copy, yeah, that's the worst part of the track. What do you think, Kimi? Soft, Inter, question?
Yeah, very wet on the back.
Okay, we're staying out at the moment.
I have 0 grip on my tires at least, so fucking wet. Here is okay, but on the back is...
Are you okay to continue?
I would try something. It's very wet there, you don't see. Pit lane, box.
Okay, box, what do you want, soft or Inter?
Inter,
copy, Inter.
We try.
Okay, Inter.
Get the Inters ready. Inters.
Understood. Black 2, position 3. Black 2, position 3.
Are we...
Box.
Yeah, we're just seeing light rain into turn 5, just spots. Okay, lots of rain ahead. So turn 5, getting significantly wet. Okay, the rain's coming in. Turn 2, turn 4. Track slippy through 3. Track slippy ahead. How are conditions?
Yeah, just wet. They're okay for this tire, I think.
Copy. Okay, turn 7, lots of people have gone off at 7. Caution in 7. How are conditions?
Yeah, use that middle segment. Pretty wet.
Happy on the tyres we're on? Staying out, Checo, staying out. You happy as you are, or do you want inters? Let me know.
Are we expecting more rain?
Some rain is about, there could be more. You're cool, Checo, do you want inters?
No.
Okay, Checo, there's more rain coming. People look to be faster on inters.
Copy. We're box.
So box, Checo box.
Okay, it's getting wet.
Copy. We think the rain might get worse before it gets better, so 6 laps to go at the end of this one. So Sebastian, can you make this last? It's 6 laps to go, otherwise we're coming now in for inters.
Yeah, is the rain heavier? Is it getting heavier?
Yep, we think maybe a little...
Getting heavier.
About the same.
Yeah, stay out.
Copy, stay out. So Sebastian, we're thinking it's going to get a little bit worse from here, so we're thinking probably a box. What's your thoughts?
So far it's still okay.
So we think probably inters. What's your thoughts?
No, it's getting less. Track's getting better.
Copy that, stay out.
Now there's more rain. Shit.
Yeah, copy. It's sector 2 that's the worst as well.
Yeah, now it's inters.
Yeah, copy that.
Copy rain, 7 to go. Copy rain, 7 to go. 7
No!
Let's push to get the tyres back.
It's raining a lot! Fuck!
Raining a lot, copy.
That's very wet.
Okay, let's box for inters then,
I got hit.
Yeah, copy, box.
Yeah.
Confirm turn 5, rain increasing. Watch out.
So I need to box.
Why do you need to box? Please repeat. We don't think we'll get inter. We don't think we will get inter. Okay, Pierre, do you think we can hang on there?
Yeah, we need to slide.
Copy that. This can come for us if we can stay on track. Okay, Pierre, it's not getting any worse.
So much rain. I can't do it.
Okay, copy that.
I'll stay on the track.
Box.